This is an example of a complaint. Actually, this is a complaint that resulted in a over $3.5 million jury verdict. So this is a good example of one. Here at the very top, you have the case style. It says what court it's in, the case number, and who the parties are. This is the beginning of the complaint with the introductory allegations saying what the cause is about, kind of introduces the court to both the law that's applying and what the parties are fighting about. You get down here into a party's jurisdiction and venue, which talks about why the court has jurisdiction, who the parties are, where the venue is, that's where the court should be, where that should be filed. And then it talks about the actual specific factual allegations as opposed to the more general ones that occurred earlier in the complaint. So this complaint alleges a lot of factual allegations. This was a very long case that was tried over many years. And so ultimately, the court would review the complaint, essentially set the case for trial based upon the counts that are alleged further in the complaint. Here's one count, talks about what the allegations under the law are, so it tries to apply both the law and the facts to the situation and say why the complainant believes that those laws are violated. Here's another count. Complaints often have more than one count. That is, they often have more than one reason under the law to believe that the plaintiff should prevail in the case. Here's a third count. So these are all alternative. If the plaintiff wins on any one of them, then they'll prevail in the case to at least some degree. And here's a fourth one. This complaint, I believe, has 4 different counts. Most complaints contain a demand for jury trial, which asks that the trial be heard by a jury instead of a judge. A lot of complaints do, however, get heard by just a judge and not a jury. If you want a jury trial, normally that has to be demanded in the complaint, which is what's done here. Right above the jury trial, you can see what's called the wherefore count. That's where the plaintiff demands what they wish to happen. In this case, judgment, punitive damages, interest, attorney's fees. They're asking for those resolutions. Here's the very bottom where the people that prepared the complaint sign it. There's my name there. If you wish to see a sample of this complaint and to view others, you can always visit our website at 352law.com.